Dear students, the dynamic study of the complex interactions between human societies and the environment is known as environmental geography. To investigate how ecological processes influence human activities and in turn how these actions affect the Earth's ecosystems. This interdisciplinary field draws on concepts from geography, ecology and the social sciences. The importance of environmental geography has increased recently due to growing concerns about biodiversity loss, resource depletion and climate change. Environmental geography is a field that blends aspects of geography and environmental studies with following objectives. After completing the course will demonstrate a clear understanding of key concepts and theories in environmental geography, including ecosystems, biogeography and sustainability. Thank you so much.